Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we're here, we're gonna do a quick look. It's actually Saturday. I'm gonna go hang out with the hubs, and I got this palette actually at, is it from Rude? And it's blush, it's like a blush palette, but I'm excited to try this blush palette. But yeah, we're gonna create a nice quick, kind of soft look, and already know what to do. Keep on watching. So it's very interesting. So this palette is actually a blush palette. So today we're gonna just be messing with stuff like making face palettes, be eyeshadow palettes, and so I don't know if this is gonna give me like a, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Match 3, and I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. So it's a blush palette. So I feel like it's not gonna be as pigmented, maybe. And these shades are not super dark, so maybe, I don't know. We'll see though, we'll see. But for blushes, I'm excited to try this shade right here. Oh, this is a M518 from Morphe. Man, I don't know what's going on with my face. I'm like breaking out like crazy. I've been doing a fast. I'm not sure if it's something I ate, because with a fast I'm not eating anything that's processed, including meat, no meat. But now I'm like, I did eat some stuff that I don't usually eat, so I'm not sure if that's what's causing me to break out, or if it's just stress, life. I don't know, man. The last few months has been just insane. I'm trying to like calm down and just not be so stressed out, but it's hard. And then I'm gonna go into this T33, and I'm thinking I'm going to go into Blast, which is this shade right here, and then we're just gonna like go off the edges. We're just gonna blast the edge. I just thought, that would be cute to say that. So I wish there was something that was a little bit darker, but you know what, it's fine. It is fine. Yeah, that's it. Nice and easy. Easy peasy, right? I don't know. Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna go off camera, put on lashes, do my other eye, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we're back, and time to mess with this foundation. It's a palette. So it's from J.Cat. It's $8.99. I don't know. I feel like this shade might be my shade. Let's see. I might take a little bit of that and see, because maybe I don't need to mix it. Oh nope, this is definitely too light. Let's go here. That's better. And let's go here, or maybe this one. So we're gonna go into this shade. This looks kind of dark, but so the coverage on there is pretty light, which is not great for me today because I'm having some serious skin situation. It just seems like a lot happening, just a lot. And we're gonna use it for concealer as well, because again, I know it just, so I did the face. The face looks good. I don't know, we'll just see. So for my concealer, however, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade. I think will be light enough for my concealer. we're just gonna do like the whole face with these palettes. And then, so now I'm gonna use this blush from Ruce, and I think I'm gonna go into this shade maybe for contour. Yep. So this looks like a lot darker in the pen than it actually, like it just, like when you blend it, it just kind of disappears, which is like a little bit concerning, because I'm like, if you're, you know, a lot darker than me, like, is that gonna work? Maybe not. I need this brush to kind of melt this. For under my eye, I want something really light. This is almost done, but I'm using every single part of it. Every little part of it we're using. It is so much, like this is like done. But we're gonna use it till it's like literally empty. And then we're gonna throw it away. This face is just, it's not facing. And maybe it's like fine. My face looks so bad. Like it's so textured, so textured. So I did this the other day. I'm like, please don't do this, because I think my lashes are too long.
The following movie has been rated PG by the Motion Picture Association of America. Parental guidance is suggested.
So let's go to these palettes again. So I'm just gonna go with this, the Match 3. That brush is too big. Let's use this. This is a what? Oh, it's a MAC 239. Oh my lord, this is something else. I don't know what's happening with this thing. Like under my eyes, like textured, like everywhere is textured. It's just so much. Okay, let's go in with some bronzer. I might try not to go like real heavy with my bronzer, because as I said, like I just have so much texture, so much. So I'm using this from AVH. So we're just gonna go light. Yeah, this is crazy. Like look at this. You can see all the texture. Like it's so, like look at this. And everything is just grabbing on there. Grabbing. So now we're gonna use this palette, which is the one I use for my eyes. I'm gonna use for my eye, but it's actually a blush palette. I just, you know. So we're gonna use this blush. Is that the one I want? Nope, that's not the one. This is this one. It's a M406 from Morphe, and I don't know. Let's use Sweet. See, now Sweet wants to like be sweet. This whole thing is just so frustrating. I'm gonna use this is from Jouer, and it's the rose gold. It's a highlighter, and I'm gonna use this M510 blush from Morphe. Whew, that's a lot. I don't need to go heavy. Again, I am so textured, so textured. Yeah. I don't know. I don't like this look. But we're just gonna go with it. Just gonna go with it. Because there's not much I can do with where my skin is right now. Let's use Malt for the lips. Like this, and then I don't know. I need to stop watching my face because I might be pissed. So I'm gonna use these two shades. I'm gonna use Zaya and Mood. So Mood is from Dose of Colors and Zaya is from Luna Beauty. And then we're just gonna put Zaya just in the middle, Okay, so that's it for this, look that I created to go hang out at the hub. I like how the eye look came out. It's literally one shade. I think I used one, but two shades just to blend the edge, but it's literally like one shade, so nothing crazy. So yeah, like how I think about it. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.